Hi, it's Neil. Probably if you saw the title, you know what it is that I'm going to be reviewing today, but I don't even know what it is yet. So I'm going to open this up and we're going to see what it is together. I know I bought all sorts of stuff, but I just keep getting shipments and stuff, and I didn't bother to even look at what this was before I brought it in here to do a review. So welcome to my office again, and let's see what it is that we have to review here. And let's see what's in here. Now I remember what I got. I got the Carabiner clips. I got two different versions of it's like the Carabiners, but with the clips. So I got my boat and stuff, and so I'm gonna be going out on the boat a lot, and I figured it would be easy to have the keys. I have so many different keys, and rather than just having them all over the place, I figured I could put them on one of these Carabiner things. So there, that's what it looks like here, and it's got the little flexible thing there, so that's what it is for that. This one's a huge one, so this one here I might use for a rope or something. But then I got different sizes here. I got some little tiny ones here for little keys and stuff here. So that's what these ones are. Let's see what that one looks like. Let me open that up. So that's the little one. And boy, how does it go? Do I have to push it? Oh, it's just hard to do. There it goes, but it's tough. So it'll work with a key or something. That's probably good to actually hold the key in there. So it'll be a good little clip for that. So that's what this one's here is for. So there's the little tiny one, and then the bigger ones have bigger springs on it, so it's a little easier to do. I can even clip them together. And then comes with 3 different sizes. So it comes with that size, and then this size. And this size for the 3-pack came with all 3 of these different sizes here. So you can see they all kind of work the same. And then the little 2-pack came with just the 2-pack. Came with just the little ones here. So that's these ones here. So now we've got all of them here. And I'm gonna put a link to these in the description for both of these different ones here, so you can kind of get ones for yourself if you want them. I'll put a link in the description, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and like the videos. So I know that you're out there, and I kind of like these. These are kind of cute, so I'm looking forward to putting some keys, and I can actually put some of the other stuff on there too. I'm gonna get some suction cup hooks probably for the boat too, just because everything goes flying around, so I need to keep things from flying around. So that's kind of why I got these hooks. When I went boating the last time, just everything, towels and everything went flying. It was crazy. So that's what these are for, so I like it. So it looks good to me. The little ones, I'm gonna say, I'm not too sure. My jury's still out. I don't know, those are really hard to do. I'm gonna have to examine those a little bit more to see if there's some easier way to do it, that I'm doing it wrong. I just don't know. So if you know an easy way to do those or something, I just don't know what I'm doing wrong with these ones here. It's so obvious how it works, and they work so good. But that's it. So I'm gonna check these out, and I'll let you know if I find anything bad about them, but so far it seems okay to me. But thanks for watching, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks, bye.